Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2. This problem involves raising two numbers to the second power and then adding the results together. Let's go ahead and break it down step by step to find the solution. Let's begin. Step 1 to solving the problem 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2 is to understand and execute the concept of exponents. First, let's break this down. When we see 2 raised to the power of 2, this means that we multiply the number 2 by itself. Essentially, it is 2 times 2. Now let's calculate that. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 raised to the power of 2 simplifies to 4. Next, we have 3 raised to the power of 2. Similar to the previous part, this means that we multiply the number 3 by itself, which is 3 times 3. Now let's calculate that. 3 times 3 equals 9. So 3 raised to the power of 2 simplifies to 9. After these simplifications, the expression 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2 changes to 4 plus 9. To sum up, in this step, the initial expression is transformed from 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2 to simply 4 plus 9. The reasoning behind this is based on the rule of exponents, which states that a number raised to a power is equal to that number multiplied by itself, however many times the exponent indicates. Step 2 to solving the problem 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2, which has now been simplified to 4 plus 9, is to perform the addition. Now let's add the two numbers together. When we add 4 and 9, we get a total of 13. So the initial expression, which was 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2, has now been fully simplified to the single number 13. Since there are no further calculations needed, this marks the final step in solving the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.